Hello and welcome to this first screencast for PCSAchieve. This will be a series of screencasts and PCSAchieve video blogs that are there to support student learning, support interaction with parents, and how they can support at home, and also how we can all move forward together as one group so we can get the very best outcomes and educational experience for all of our students here at Priory School. This screencast is about command words, as you can see along this part of the video below. Command words are the key instructional part of exam questions. Command words are needed for every year group, all the way from 7 through to 11, and you may have even come across command words in your primary school settings as well. What we've found from talking to various students over a number of years, not just at Priory, but in my experience here at in education as well, is that some students don't know what the command word actually means. Therefore, whilst a student might have the knowledge, they're not answering the question correctly. This is obviously going to have a massive impact on their final outcomes at year 11. But if we can do this at year 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, it'll help with knowledge tests, but it also develops that knowledge. So year 11 and those GCSE and other examinations at year 11 are a little bit more accessible. So it's really important we look and understand command words. The following slides have a number of command words on and their definition, because you need to know what these command words mean. As mentioned, these command words are the instructional section of the exam question. So you need to know what they are so you can apply your knowledge correctly. And I'm going to run through not every single one of these command words, but ones that are really key and that are quite common in lots of exam papers. So just looking on this sheet here, looking at compare. Are the things very alike, similar, or are they different? Okay, what do you think is best and why? So you're looking at two or more things, comparing them. What are the similarities? What are the things that are the same? What are the things that are different? Why do you think they're the same? Why do you think they are different? Really important that you're aware of that. On this side, we're looking at 2 or 3 of these that are very, very common in exam papers. Define, basically give the meaning of something. What does a certain topic or certain question mean? Describe means what are the characteristics of that question or that topic you are looking at? What are the key details? And finally, on this screen, discuss. Write about the most important key aspects of the topic. What are the different sides the question is asking for? There might be one, there might be two, there might be more. Okay, it's almost like having an argument, the fors for the question and the against of the questions. Give your opinion and justify your opinion using key facts and knowledge and information you have gathered from your knowledge. On this slide, we're looking at, again, a number of command words, and the command words are in bold with the definition next to them. Explain is a really key one, especially AO1s and AO2s, okay? Explain is asking you to make clear your point, okay? So explain a certain situation, explain what is going on in this science experiment, make it clear, break it down, put it into steps, chunk it down into key parts of information that makes it really simple and effective for people to understand and read. On this side, justify, okay, an absolutely key area in lots of exam papers, okay. Give reasons to support an argument or action. So you might get this a lot in humanities. So it might ask to justify your reasons behind a certain point of view. What is the key information? What are the facts? What information and facts are you using to justify your answer? Not just that's how you feel, okay? What are the key facts and pieces of information that you can use to justify your answer? And here are a few final command words again, and the one I'm going to look at here is summarize. Summarize will tend to be on AO3, your longer exam questions and for your answers, okay? Bring together the main points. What are the key aspects? What is all the information that is discussed? What are the key elements? Why are they the key elements? Okay, and again, that could be putting together a key list, but you need to put in definitions, explanations. Always answer a question using answering why. So the question might say, summarize the key points in this piece of text. So you summarize that and then you say why. Why are they the key points in your opinion? That is absolutely essential here as well. I've also attached a small picture here about retrieval practice. Retrieval practice is a really important tool for revising and being able to learn and remember that learning for future exam success. There are a number of ideas on there: past papers, doing practice tests, making your own questions and answering, flashcards, absolutely essential. So please keep an eye out for another screencast and a video blog from PCSAchieve about retrieval practice. But really, you need to start looking at those things right now. Whatever year group you're in, year 11, of course, exams are approaching. Year 7, definitely. Get involved with these now. The practice you do now will put the foundations in place so the future is a little bit more effective for you, and it's not so much of a big ask as you move through the school. Get into good learning habits now, supported by all of us here at Priory. And finally, for myself, just a big thank you for watching the debut screencast of PCSAchieve, and I hope you'll join me in the future for further screencasts, and watch out for our upcoming PCSAchieve video blogs. Thank you.